With the SmartHub mobile app, you can receive notifications from your SmartHub provider, pay your bills, report problems with your service, and contact your provider all from your iPhone or iPad. Here's how. Access the Apple Store by tapping its icon on your device. Search for SmartHub. The app is available for your iPhone or iPad, and best of all, it's free. Type in SmartHub as one word. Tap the SmartHub app from NISC. Tap the Free button. Enter your Apple ID and password to start the download. Open the app. Find your service provider by name or location when GPS enabled. I'll search by name using SmartHub as an example, but you'll need to enter your provider's name here. When you've found your provider, tap the Confirm button. If you have already registered for online access to your account through your provider or are using SmartHub Web, enter your login information here to access your account. If you need to register for online and mobile access, tap the New User button here. Input the necessary identifying information for your account, enter a valid email address, and then tap Register. You'll need to enter your billing zip code and select a security question and answer. Tap Register. A temporary password will be sent to the email address you've provided. Tap OK. When you receive the email, you can return to the login screen and log into your account. The email address you provided is your new username. Then you'll be able to set up payment methods to quickly pay your bill, receive notifications from your SmartHub provider, and even report service issues. Here's a recap. First, go to the App Store on your iPhone or iPad and download the app. Second, choose your provider and sign into your SmartHub account. And third, enjoy account management at your fingertips. Thanks for inquiring about the SmartHub mobile app. For more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.